now.
GE?
Yeah, it's a GE. So they come naturally aspirated from like a Lexus. Out of the Lexus, they come in naturally aspirated. But we added the turbo. It's a Precision 6766. We just put a 8.8 4 rear end, so solid axle.
Oh, nice.
So we're hoping to go 550s this year. And we did some testing on 593. But we're gonna get there, just chip away kind of deal.
So you're in the street 275 tire class.
275, yeah.
Okay.
So
nice. So what kind of power are you making on this motor?
We're looking probably around like 800 right now, like 8 to 850. Haven't had it on the dyno this year yet, but that's what we're averaging around there. So like we're making like 30 pounds.
30 pounds of boost?
Yeah, 30 pounds of boost, yeah.
Nice. So this is a fully built motor?
Fully built, yeah. Forged internals, all that kind of stuff. So.
Nice, nice. What kind of suspension? It's sitting real nice. What do you got under there?
Well, factory stuff in the front, and then just with the 8.8 in the back with like running AFCO shocks, Morale bracing, stuff like that.
Nice.
Yeah. Well, we do the motor work ourselves, and then the chassis work was done at Eddie Brick.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So you got Ernie turning it?
Ernie and Chris, yeah.
Nice.
So, kind of just team effort kind of deal. Try to make it work. It's definitely a little odd, so.
It totally stands out. I mean, it's the only import in the class for sure.
Yeah, yeah.
How long have you had the car?
I had it since 16, so it's been probably, I don't know, maybe 10 years now, roughly.
So was this like your daily or something?
Like I bought it as a daily car, yeah, in the beginning, and then it just advanced into being now a full-blown race car. But
nice.
That's it. Yeah.
So this is the original motor that comes in this.
This is the original one, yeah.
Okay.
And then we just stripped it, put all forged stuff, manly rods, pistons, and stuff like that, and made it work.
Nice.
Yeah.
Well, it sounds good. I thought it was a 2J at first, but then I'm like, you know what? I think those Lexuses have something.
No, it's a 2J. They come with a 2J also. Yeah.
Nice, nice.
Just a different head. Like the Supras come with a little different head on it.
Right?
These just have slightly little, but we ported it and made it work, right? So.
What tranny you got on it?
Turbo 400.
Turbo 400?
Yeah.
It's a 3-speed?
A 3-speed, yeah.
Cool, man. You got a little tub in the back there?
Yeah, a little tub, a little mini tub kind of deal.
Nice.
So.
Who did that for you?
Eddie Brick.
Eddie?
Yeah. He did all like the back half of the car kind of deal.
Okay. All right.
So.
It's looking good, man. Paint looks good too.
Thank you. Yeah, we own our own shop, so we just painted it up. This is like the color's off a 350 car, the Ford Mustangs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like avalanche gray.
So you have a body shop then?
Yeah, we have a body shop.
What's your body shop called?
JD Auto Collision.
JD Auto Collision.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, it looks really good. It looks real nice.
Cool.
So Street 275 this weekend. You guys gonna do that all year? 275 class?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's a pretty cool class. So 550.
Yeah, pretty competitive. Like those guys are pretty on point there. So.
Nice.
Hope we can keep up.
Is this your first event with the 8.8 rear end?
It is. It's my first time driving. I haven't even drove it yet, to be honest. So,
so you gotta dial it in a little bit.
Dial it in, yeah. Like we did a little bit of testing, but I wasn't one driving. But for me, driving would be the first pass.
Nice.
So.
Awesome. Well, good luck this weekend in 275.
Perfect. Thank you.
That wheelie, dude.
Sorry?
That was a nice wheelie you did there.
I know. I had to let out a little bit.
Is that your first wheelie?
Yeah. Well, the one before, but this is the first big. I felt it come up. I'm like, oh no, this is too much.
It would have kept going.
It would have kept going.
Right to the bumper. Yeah.
but that was high enough for me. That's funny, you know what I mean? But
is it too much off the line, or is it dry?
yeah, we're trying to like it's too much bite off the line, so we're trying to like ease it through the tune kind of deal.
Just ramp it in a bit more.
Ramp it in, yeah.
Well, you got one more pass today, so let's see how you do.
Let's see what happens.
It's definitely working though.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
That's pretty sick, man.